I told my husband today that because I love Friday the 13th, I said, if you're gonna treat me out, let's go and eat out now while it's Friday the 13th. Because Friday the 13th is always a lucky day for me. Why is it lucky? Because I have maintained my own integrity and my self-respect that no one or nothing can really come to me and be an unlucky February the 13th. Valentine's Day is actually every day that is happening inside my house. Why? Because if you don't treat your house as a Valentine every day, you will not succeed as a husband and wife. You should be able to communicate, especially at night before going to bed or in the morning when you are eating breakfast. You should be planning out for all of the things that you're going to do for today. It's called coordination with your spouse, so you know what is going on around. If he goes out, you know where he is. If I go out, he knows where it is. And my husband knows where I go. My children also knows where I go. I text them where I go so they know where I am. My husband does the same. If he has a patient that I didn't know, he'll text me or write me a note. I have a patient. Keep communicating. Keep that liking. Keep that love inside your home. Happy Valentine's Day.